Hi, I'm Mike Goulian, and I'm here today to introduce you to one of the most cost-effective safety enhancements you can bring to your airplane. The Whelen Aerospace BoomBeam HID landing and taxi lights for the Global and how it compares to the stock lighting. The stock landing lights are typically 570 watt halogen or incandescent lamps. They produce a tremendous amount of heat and best case provides 266,000 candle power. Tests have shown nominal light output can be as much as 30 to 40% less. Published average lab life on these lamps is only 10 hours. As we all know, reliability on filament lamps is questionable at best, and failure seems to always happen at the most inopportune time. Next, we'll review the Whelen Aerospace BoomBeam HID lighting system. The landing light system for the Global Series aircraft features precision CNC bracketry, mil-spec powdercoat finish, and AC to DC power converters. The quad 85 watt lights fit the same footprint, produces minimal heat, and deliver 1,200,000 candle power per each assembly. This translates into over 2.4 million candle power for the entire aircraft. Now, this is the performance you would expect for a landing light system. A brilliant white light with extended range and coverage. Whether you're landing at night or taxiing at an unfamiliar airport, your stress will be a thing of the past. Not to mention, increased safety of flight for your crew and passengers.